Hi, welcome to Too Many Gadgets. So today we are pimping our Teslas with some cool lights. When you order a Tesla, you don't really have that many options to personalize it because you can't select that many variables really. It's all about the interior that you can choose between two colors and then like 6 colors of the exterior of the car. So if you want to sort of pimp out your car a little bit to make it more your own, one of the options, and a very cheap one, is that you can change the welcome lights. So the welcome lights are the light that shines down on the ground when you open the door. You won't probably notice them unless you are opening and closing the door during nighttime, because in daylight they are pretty much invisible. However, that standard bright white light that comes with the Teslas are very easy to change to something with a logo on it if you want to do that, and it's super cheap. It'll only cost you $11 including shipping, and I'll leave a link in the description field. So you have 7 different logos to choose from, and let me just show you how the installation process goes. Before I do so, just one note: for those of you like me with a Tesla Model 3, you should be very careful to hold on to the existing wire once you remove the existing light, because it's a very short wire on the Model 3. So what you don't want is that wire sort of to crawl back into the door, because it'll give you a hell of a time to fish that bag out. So be very careful to hold on to the wire at all times when you are removing the lamp from the wire. For those of you with the S and X's, you shouldn't have a problem because the wire is a little bit more long, so you should have plenty of room to work with. Okay, let me show you the installation. And again, also just one more note: you may hear in the video that my window goes down once I remove the wire. That's totally normal and to be expected, so don't be alarmed by that. That's just some sort of mechanism within the Tesla when it detects that the light is off. For me, this is a very cheap and cool little mod to the Tesla. And again, yeah, it's super easy to do so. The only thing is, again, with the Tesla Model 3, make sure to hold on to the wire once you are removing the lamp before you install the existing one. The new one. So the price is $11 including shipping from AliExpress. Link in the description field. The price you pay is for 2 lamps, so you'll need to have 2 orders to get all 4 doors if you want to do that. Have fun, guys. Leave a comment in the comment section if you have any questions, and I'll reply to them. Else I'll see you in another video. Bye.